FlowFuse is dedicated to making your life easier. From our world-class MCP integrations to our enterprise tooling on FlowFuse Cloud, our goal is to make the process of building industrial automation solutions easier. And this week we've released an update to FlowFuse Expert to help you do just that. FlowFuse Expert is now available in the FlowFuse UI and the Node-RED Immersive Editor. Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm a developer relations advocate here at FlowFuse. So let's take a look at why this is such an impactful update and exactly how it helps level up your industrial game. Bringing AI to your workflow. The FlowFuse Expert used to live only on FlowFuse.com. It offered a powerful LLM that was trained specifically on FlowFuse and Node-RED documentation, and it was shaped and fine-tuned by experts here at FlowFuse. But you had to go to the FlowFuse.com site to use it, and you were limited in taking what you learned from that system into your actual flow. But with this recent update, the FlowFuse Expert is no longer something that you have to go to. It comes to you. You see, the Expert is now built in the FlowFuse UI itself, and that means that whatever you're building, whatever you're working on, the Expert is right there alongside to help. You're no longer limited by where the conversation started. You can now keep the same thread going, continue asking questions, and getting solutions that are tailored to your specific question. It's absolutely seamless. Just ask, build, and iterate. That saves time, cuts down the manual effort, and gets you from idea to implementation faster than ever. This is FlowFuse Expert exactly where you want it, right where you build, and better integrated. FlowFuse Expert Assistant as an IT-OT bridge. One of the biggest challenges in this space is something called the IT-OT gap. IT teams tend to think in terms of cloud infrastructure, governance, and security. OT teams, on the other hand, are much more concerned with the actual physical devices and what they're doing. And traditionally, these two worlds spoke an entirely different language. Every integration essentially became a negotiation. By embedding the Expert directly into the platform, we're giving both IT and OT teams a shared space to work together, a shared knowledge base, a shared assistant, a unified system that understands the limitations and the demands of both sides. For IT teams, the FlowFuse Expert Assistant can explain everything from authentication methods to APIs and data routing, best practices for secure deployment, anything that they would need to know right inside the environment that they're already working in. And for OT teams, the Expert Assistant can handle all of the management of the physical devices, connecting PLCs, building flows, interpreting industrial protocols, and troubleshooting logic in a way that feels natural and familiar. And because the FlowFuse Expert Assistant now follows you throughout the entire product, you don't lose any context. Both teams see the same explanations. They see the same context. And this means fewer misunderstandings, fewer tickets, closer alignment, and fewer handoffs that slow everything down. This release creates an actual bridge between IT and OT, a place where these teams can finally collaborate around workflows, solutions, and integrations. It reduces friction, accelerates innovation, and gives teams a unified way to build automated solutions that span everything from the plant floor to the edge and to the cloud. FlowFuse Expert Assistant isn't just a convenience feature. It's a collaboration tool that brings IT and OT teams closer than ever before. Moving forward. Now, in the coming months, you're going to see even more improvements to this core technology, so keep your eyes peeled for the next iteration of FlowFuse Expert Assistant. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, or subscribe, and check out some of the related links in the description below. And if you'd like to get started with FlowFuse Expert Assistant, you can head to FlowFuse.com to get yourself a free 14-day trial. This has been Christopher Sandoval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.